So today we're going to unbox the MyPhone MY18. Bago tayo magsimula, ako nga pala si CJ and let's start. So ito yung box niya guys, MyPhone MY18. Simple lang siya and simple, recycled and eco-friendly din. And because galing sa recycled materials pinagawa ng box. So okay, so first, this is what the box really looks like. I-unbox na natin siya. First is we have to open this. Slide out siya. And then, kikita agad dito is yung manuals. Quick start guide of the MyPhone MY18. 18, I'm so sorry, 18. Walang ulit niya. And this is the phone itself. MyPhone. It's wrapped in plastic. So, we have to set this aside for later. Then opening this smaller lid, nakikita mo yung stickers, the regular 5-watt charger, the earphones, basic earphones, and then we have the micro USB cable, which is fine for this price point. And we have a removable battery. Now, in 3, 2. Okay. So, we have the battery and the phone itself. After placing the battery, alisin natin yung kanyang screen protector. So, we'll power up the device and I'll put the spec sheet on the right side of the screen now. We'll set this up for later. The phone comes with a 2-megapixel rear camera with flash. Where the speaker is placed. It is placed in the rear plate of the device. This is where you'll see the power and lock button and the volume rocker itself. And up top, you will find the micro USB port and the headphone jack. I'm done setting up the phone. It's just really simple and clean. Just like the promise of Android Go edition. So this is what the screen looks like. And so what do you guys think of the MyPhone MY18? Correction, MyPhone MY18. I've been saying it for like a couple of times na MyPhone MY81 is actually MyPhone MY18. MyA plus 18. This one is a 4-inch phone screen. And it is running on Android 9 Pie Go Edition. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng Go Edition? It is the lighter software version of Android, stock Android but lighter. It is really optimized for entry-level budget or budget phones in general. Para hindi siya mag-lag, para paggamit mo siya ng smooth, no lags, smooth experience. And probably you will have more storage because Go Edition only occupies about 3.6 gigabytes internal storage mo, including the apps itself. So meron ka pang about 4 gigabytes of free storage, 4 to 5 gigabytes of free storage, ganon. So you could put more photos in it, you could use it more for 1,799 pesos. Simply designed, really brightening screen, and the battery is not good deal for me kasi yung price is like sub 2,000 pesos, 1,500 milliamp hours to power this phone up for an entire day, especially for me pag light user ka lang, or depende if your mobile media is always turned on, pero umano naman siya ang battery power saving feature dito, and it is Android Go.
So dito na natatapos ang aking first impressions and unboxing ng MyPhone MYA18. It's MyPhone MYA18. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe.